Hey everybody, it's Lon.TV. This is one of these videos that the YouTube algorithm is going to punish me on. So congratulations for finding it and thank you for watching it. And many of you know, if you've been watching me for any length of time, that I've got this Blockbuster case that I usually keep behind me on my set. Now this is a legit Blockbuster case. It has the game Black for the Xbox in it. I rented this game back in 2006. And at the time, Blockbuster was doing this crazy mail-in program where you could come in with a coupon and get a free game rental, and then you could keep the game if you wanted to, and they would just charge you the used price for the game, and that's how I acquired this. So legit Blockbuster DVD case here, essentially. Now, the other day, actually a couple weeks ago, I was browsing around and I saw people talking about this accessory item for the Nintendo Switch. This is the VHS game case, and this is an officially licensed Blockbuster replica case that is designed to hold your Nintendo Switch games. So I figured we would unbox it in this video and see what it looks like. I bought this for $20 from StoneAgeGamer.com. I'll put an affiliate link in the video description. I don't think these will be around for all that long. I can't see them making a lot of them, so this will be while supplies last, I think. And this is from a company called Retro Fighters, who make a bunch of other retro gaming accessories and game controllers. Now, I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that I did pay for this with my own funds. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this review, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. So let's take this thing out of the box and see what we got. So this is the first component here, and this is the little Blockbuster case. Now, this is definitely smaller than the VHS Blockbuster cases I used to get as a kid. But as you can see here, it's got the labeling here that looks pretty accurate with some, obviously, generic stuff here. Here on the back, it is blank, although I'm sure you could maybe write up something and fill in that blank there. You've got an address for your Blockbuster location, just like you did back in the day, at least sort of. And of course, on the front here, they also have a barcode, which my unit also has here as well. So pretty cool. And of course, you could take out the paper here underneath and do something with it if you wanted to. So it looks pretty accurate so far. So let's take a look and see what else is in the box. Now, there's a little warning here about the next component we're about to take out. Don't force it. And that is referring to where the games actually get held, which is inside of this virtual VHS tape. It's kind of tiny, not as big as a regular VHS tape. Although you can turn the little wheels here on the bottom, it looks like, but it doesn't actually turn the tape inside. So this is all just for show. You can't pop open the top of the tape cover here either. So it is strictly just a little tape. But it's actually pretty heavy. It's got a good weight to it. It feels really solid. And what we need to do here, according to the instructions, is lift it up from the center. And this reveals where your games get stored. Now, it's got room for 12 Switch games, and you can also store 4 micro SD cards in here as well. And if we take out a Switch game here and just pop it in the slot, we can see how it goes in. And it's got a little bit of a rubbery surface here. It's not quite moving, but it does give a little, so you can get the game securely placed inside there. Then, of course, you close it up. You open up the case here. You've got those 2 raised areas to align with the little wheels on the bottom. And you put your thing in here, and now you've got yourself a completed game case. So definitely overkill, but super cool. I think super accurate, even though it's a little smaller than a typical VHS tape would have been for Blockbuster. But it looks legit. It's officially licensed, and it's 20 bucks. So if you were looking to get a gift for somebody like me, who's very hard to shop for, this might be something worth looking at if they have a Nintendo Switch. That's going to do it for this one. Until next time, this is Lon.TV. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Brian Parker, Budley, Hot Sauce and Video Games, Steve Green, and Amda Brown. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to Lon.TV/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit Lon.TV/s.